Hello viewers. Which are the world's smartest birds? 3 bird species are believed to be smartest: African grey parrot, Indian crow, and great-tailed grackles. They can remember and perform the opening of difficult food boxes involves multitasking. They are problem-solving genius. Their brains may be tiny, but birds have been known to outsmart children and apes. While many species of parrots have a penchant for human speech, the African grey parrot is the most accomplished. Crow test. A metal wire was bended by crow to take out the object filled with food. In this study, scientists subjected 6 wild crows to a battery of tests designed to challenge their understanding of causal relationships. The tasks, which involved water displacement, were all variations of an Aesop's fable in which a thirsty crow drops stones to raise the level of water in a pitcher. The crows had to determine how to obtain floating food rewards by depositing heavy objects into water-filled tubes. They demonstrated the ability to choose objects that would sink rather than float, and solid rather than hollow objects. Here in one clip. Crow used object to do roller skating on the rooftop ice and enjoying. In the simple experiment, scientists taught the birds how a tool can help them access a piece of food. When offered a selection of objects almost 24 hours later, the ravens selected that specific tool again, and performed the task to get their treat.
गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हो आप? मस्त। क्या खाना है? अंडा खाना है? अच्छा, बिस्किट खाना है? अंडा बिस्किट क्या? बिस्किट? अच्छा चलो लो बिस्किट लो। क्या हुआ? अच्छा, इधर बैठ के खाओगे? इधर आ जाओ, इधर बैठ जाओ, इधर बैठ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ, आ जाओ, इधर आओ, आ चलो, मैं पीछे चली गई, आ जाओ, गुड बॉय, पानी में डुबा के खाओगे, गुड बॉय, किसी कर लूं मैं आपको? अच्छा खा लो उसके बाद।
Look, there's no way for us to know exactly what this crow did to get booked into crow court. We can only assume it was something rude. Scientists have definitively said crows remember who double-crossed them. And, what's even more interesting is they treat those birds who have been unfair to them differently than their friends. Enter crow court, where birds take justice into their own claws. Crows specifically will kill other crows who enter their territory and do not belong, or those who are trying to steal their food and attack their friends.